All aboard! What's up, everyone? I'm Zoe with Best Choice Products, and today we're going over our 56-piece train table set. Let's take a look. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with our first step, which is going to be assembling our storage drawer. We're gonna take part 6, the drawer handle, and the drawer front, and connect them with 2 part C screws. Drop them in, line them up. All right, now we got the handle on, and we're gonna move on to step 2, which is attaching these bad boys right here. All right, so I'm just gonna line all these up how it's supposed to go before I screw them in place, making sure all these ridges are lined up with one another. 11, up here. And this is our drawer. All right, so we're gonna move on to step 3, which is putting together the actual base of our table. We're gonna take our part 4, which is our legs right here, and we're gonna take some of our cam bolts here and place them along these edges. We're also gonna be using parts 1 in this, which are our 2 pieces right here. Look at how good I am at doing this. So now we're gonna take our part 2, which is our nice open little legs, and we're gonna put them on this side. But see the 4 holes? We're gonna put those cam bolts in there. I think what I'm gonna do is go like so. Yeah, that's the best plan of action. POA, go like so. Bam, bam. So now that we have our base, we're gonna add some supports to the middle for the boards. So I'm gonna take our part 3s here, and we have this ledge. You wanna make sure that that is down. This is what's gonna catch our drawer. And we're gonna throw it in here. All right, we have our frame done. We're just gonna slide the drawer in and move on to the next step. Come on, roll up. We're gonna take these 2 little blocks and attach them on the inside of the drawer to make sure that the drawer doesn't get ripped out. I'm gonna grab that, my bad. All right, and that's the base of the table. All we have to do now is throw on the top. So I'm gonna just place it here. How cute. All right, we've got the table built. Now's the fun part. We get to play. We give you a nice layout in this instruction manual, but no one can tell you how to play. Feel free to do this your way. All right. Now I'm gonna fit all these pieces on here. Yeah. Oh, it's like, oh, that's so cute. Oh, like this. And then this part goes into this part. I'm gonna connect the bottom of this bridge. All right, and this is my last piece. And there we have it. Now we can add our house and our buildings and all of our little accessories. Look, we've got a little sign, some trees I can throw throughout our town. Oh, the traffic cones are so cute. And then I have the stoplight, the crossing sign, and the little guy. This is our roof, and I believe our walls just stick into place here. And then this way. Is this a crane? I think it's a crane. Oh my gosh, stop. It actually cranes. It has 2 little pegs here. I'm just gonna stick it into this mount and throw it out anywhere for now. Our hospital building has a ton of little slots, and you're just gonna stick each piece into one another. Oh, this is probably the guy that's supposed to fly the helicopter. That's my bad. Look. Well, that's it. For all this and more, check us out at Best Choice Products. Choo choo!